FTMO is the gold standard of what prop firms strive to be in the industry right now. So let's break down all the reasons why FTMO is one of the greatest and what other prop firms need to do in order to meet that same criteria. A proprietary trading firm, or prop firm for short, is a firm that offers traders massive amounts of capital instead of them using their own money to trade. In order to get access to this capital, a trader has to pass an evaluation test, and once they pass the test, they are then funded with the prop firm's money. You trade on the prop firm's behalf, and you share the profits with the prop firm. They supply the funds, you do the trading. It's a win-win scenario. Of the prop firms out there right now, FTMO is the biggest, most trusted, and one of the oldest in the game. They've been around the block since 2015, served over millions of traders in 140 plus countries, and have paid out millions in withdrawals. One of the benefits of FTMO is that they're super simple in their structure. They have a stock standard 2-phase evaluation where you need to get 10% in phase 1 and 5% in phase 2. And once you're funded, you can get 80 to 90% of the profit splits depending on the option that you pick. They support the biggest platforms in the market right now, MT4, MT5, and CTrader. And they give traders a variety of different options to trade, from indices, forex, commodities, and the like. They have support in over 20 different languages, and you get support on their YouTube and Discord channels too. One of the things that makes FTMO the biggest right now is their reputation and trust. A large variety of independent sources all rate FTMO as one of the best and brightest top firms in the industry right now. And being one of the biggest in the game, there would be a lot of pressure for FTMO to not shake the boat too much and just continue with the status quo. But FTMO is actually one of the prop firms leading the innovation in the space. Last year in 2025, FTMO acquired Oando, which is one of the biggest global financial brokers in the world. And this gave them access to a regulated broker license, which is a license to operate in multiple different jurisdictions in the world. Now, this was a massive game changer because it upgraded FTMO from just a prop firm to now a company with a full trading ecosystem that had brokerage services, the analytics, and the infrastructure that traders use every single day. FTMO also partnered with CTrader's algo building system, allowing traders to be able to build automatic strategies into their platform that can trade on their behalf. So a move like this means that FTMO is not just relying on their reputation, they're also massive headliners in the innovation space in the prop firm, which is putting pressure on all the other prop firms to follow suit. Now, no company is perfect. FTMO recently updated their terms of services, and chatter on the streets is saying that they have now made it a little bit more strict and more difficult to be a funded FTMO trader. One of the changes they made into the updated terms of service is you're no longer guaranteed a funded challenge after you pass the evaluation phase. Historically, before, if you would pass the 2-step evaluation and complete your verification, you would be guaranteed a funded account. Now their risk team is a little bit more strict, and if you participate in any shady trading practices, they can deny you that funded account. So a couple of the people who used loopholes in the past to be able to pass these challenges are not going to find favor with their updated terms of service. They also rewrote some of the rules in terms of their risk management, putting a much tighter noose on trading activity that is deemed to be high risk. Things like overexposure, really large lot sizes, and overtrading are things that are going to be frowned upon moving forward. They're also very strict around who can trade the account in question. Only the person who purchased the account and registered the account is allowed to do all the trading on the account. So gone are the days where you could purchase an account and have someone else trade it for you. They're going to be looking at stuff like that a lot closer now. These changes to their conduct make the rules a little bit more formal, more detailed, and a lot more enforceable. So FTMO is cracking down on who are the people they let trade under their banner. But these strict rules are part of what keeps FTMO in business. And with them being one of the biggest prop firms in the world, payouts are almost guaranteed if you stick to within their rule set. And that is part of the biggest reason why they're deemed the best in the industry, is you know that they are trusted enough with your money that you are definitely going to get your payout if you stick within the rules. So this is part of the reasons why FTMO is one of the biggest prop firms in the world right now, one of the most trusted, and the gold standard to which all other prop firms are usually measured. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share this with your trader friends. Go ahead and pop in the comment section down below what I should cover next, and we will see you in the next one.